Hello guys, my name is Ashish and welcome to the Angular tutorial series for beginners. In the previous lecture we have discussed the ng style binding and how to use it in the Angular based project. In today's lecture we are going to see how to use ngClass in Angular based project, right guys? So guys, before starting the lecture I request you all to subscribe the xadmin channel to get notification whenever a new lecture is uploaded, and guys please hit the like button at the end so that it will encourage me to bring more awesome lectures for you guys. So guys, what is ngClass in Angular framework? ngClass is an inbuilt directive that's let you allow to add and remove CSS classes on an HTML element. By the use of the ngClasses, we can add or remove CSS classes or the multiple CSS classes on an HTML element, right guys? Okay guys, so let's implement ngClass. Okay, so for that I am going to put some more br here, okay guys, and after serving the server, let's see in the output as we are getting, we have the output as this. Okay, now we are going to our IDE and now I am creating one div. Okay, one div of a name like this is an example of ngClass, right guys? So next guys, inside div we have to implement ngClass, right? We have to write the ngClass. So guys, I'll always remember we have to write ngClass and C will be in a capital letter inside a square bracket, right? Like this we will write, and after that equal to, and after that we have to write the property of a object type. So I'm going to take as a ngClass prop, right guys? And this ngClass prop we have to assign it, we have to assign this in a app component.ts file, right? Inside app component.ts file ngClass prop I have written, right? And this is equals to, okay, and this is equals to, and it is in a form of object. Okay guys, so we have to write the curly braces, we have to start the curly braces and end the curly braces, and then I have entered. Okay guys, and guys, if you will see inside app component.ts file, already we have some CSS file present. Okay, dot single CSS, this is a CSS class which has the color black, and dot color change is also a class, CSS class which has color black, and the dot background change CSS class. Okay guys, so guys, in this ngClass I am going to use these classes. Okay, so for that guys, for like the single CSS, so guys, copy this color change class and I am going to write inside a key as a key value. Okay, so key as a value I will write as a key here, and after that the value I am going to keep as true, right? And then enter, and the next line I am going to use the next CSS class of the background change, right? Inside background change I am going to assign this as a key, and after that I am going to give this boolean value as true for now, right guys? Okay guys, and now as inside app component.html I have written ngClass in a square bracket, then equals to, and the property name of a object type ngClass properties, and this ngClass prop we have to define this inside app component.ts file. And this guys, ngClass property is an object type in which it has the key and value pair. Okay, in which key is of the color change and it is now true, and background change it is true. So guys, as it is true, so guys this will implement to our div, right? And we have already the app component.cs file, or you can assign more classes and you can use it, right? So guys, let's compile this and we are going to the browser and we are going to check the output as so guys, we can see that a new div has been created and which has implemented the CSS class by using ngClass. So guys, this is an example of ngClass, and we can see the background as red and the color of the font is black. So guys, now I am going to change the color. Okay guys, so for now let's change this to green. Okay, and keep the color of a font as red. Okay, and now I am going to compile the file and we are going to see the output in the browser. So guys, we can see that the div color has been changed now. The background color green has been implemented here. Okay guys, so guys, this is the example of the ngClass and how we can implement our ngClass in an Angular based project. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day.